Hello, I didn't see you there. So you think your 370Z ballast is going bad. Symptoms of a failing ballast include the light not turning on at all, or the light flickering out. Today, I will be showing you how to replace your 370Z high intensity discharge light ballast. Step 1, remove the bumper.
So Cortland is currently taking the headlight assembly out because the ballast is located underneath the assembly. So in order to do it right, it's gotta come out. We're gonna see if we can get it out without having to pull the bumper and the fender. We're gonna find out here in a minute if that's a possibility.
Newsflash, probably isn't.
There's 3 bolts. You have one bolt down here that holds the headlight on the front. You have another one up here. And then there's one more in the back here on the side. You can see the bolt coming into the side right here. Once you have the 3 bolts removed, the clip here is also holding the headlight down. Yeah, this one, fork tool.
Oh,
So the good one is the fork tool.
Oh,
Gets right up under there and pulls the center of the piece out. The bumper is actually holding the headlight in somewhat. So what he's gonna do now is get up under here. There's a screw.
and I'm going, yoink. Oh.
And the bumper comes right on.
Let me get a few of these clips off.
Yeah, make your life a little easier. Take a couple clips off.
One more.
This is a good step.
Oh, look at that, brothers. Rebuild title. Step 2, take out the headlight, which I've already done. Hey!
Yahtzee! Yeah, and then you can see here, guys, the ballast is actually connected to the bottom here. It's retained by this white bracket here. So once he pulls that bracket off, then it has some screws that are holding it. We're gonna show you in a minute anyway.
Step 3, remove the ballast. Alright, so brothers, there are 3 Phillips head screws right here. 1, 2, 3. You gotta remove them. I already did, so I have the magical power to go wah. Wah, wah. Oh, and it comes right out. Woo.
So what are we doing?
Alright, brothers, so I made a discovery. I don't want to take apart the whole headlight assembly just to remove the ballast. So what I'm gonna do is, using our brains and trying some theories, I can unplug this and detach it from the actual ballast piece. Bring in the new ballast, detach this piece from it, leave this, the original one, in there, plug in the new ballast, and see if that works. But also, you gotta use more of those brains. Before we put the entire headlight assembly back into the car, we're gonna plug it in and see if it turns on.
So in order to get that clip off, you gotta get under behind this. It's actually not the top of it, it's that one right there. So what we're gonna do is take a little screwdriver.
Little screwy boy. We're gonna go pop, pop. Maybe, maybe not. Oh,
Oh, there it is. And then it's a Phillips head on top of that.
we can try. Attempt unsuccessful. Whoa, Nelly, it's happening. Step 4, compare the ballast. Make sure they're identical.
So he's just gonna put one screw in for now to hold the ballast on the headlight so that when we plug it in, it doesn't fall off. But we're not gonna put it completely together until we test and make sure the headlight's gonna work.
Oh, step 5, test and see if it works.
It's in there.
We're never gonna get that plug out.
Here comes the moment of truth.
Oh,
Bingo.
did it actually work? Oh!
Step 6. Listen, toss it back in. It's only the light bulb shaking.
Have you seen the Polar Express? Can you hear the bell? If you hear the bell, you still believe in Santa Claus. I hear it already, do you?
I hear it too.
Santa's real.
So now that you have the bolt tightened over here, you can put the bumper on. All you have to do is put it up.
Put it in the clips.
In the crease there, and then in the crease up here. Kind of just snaps into place. And then the screw under here that you saw us remove will go up into this hole and hold it into place. And don't forget to plug your light back in, otherwise you'll be questioning why it's not working later.
Oh no, it doesn't work at all anymore.
And then the 2 bolts on top. And always remember your clips for the top of the bumper.
Step 7.
So let's see if it actually works again now that we plugged everything back in. Do it. Oh yeah, man.
You ready?
Oh yeah, man. All right, boys, so there you go. We got a good ballast installation. Car is looking good, lights are working. So that's gonna do it for this one. Like the video, subscribe, let us know what you think. If there's anything that you guys have questions about, please comment. We'd like to get back to you, and we're always willing to answer all the questions. So other than that, we will see you on the next one.